eat it, they'll be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Say What Is Vegan, and today is so exciting. The pre-orders for my seasonings have begun. Yes, your girl, Chef Joya, has her all-purpose seasoning line. Like, listen, like I'm so excited about this. Y'all have no idea. Because y'all always ask me, Chef, what spices you use? What's your favorite seasons? What's this? What's that? And when I was making my cookbooks, I found myself putting these different seasonings together all the time. But I was like, you know what? Let me just do it for the people. Because when you have certain things, like there's certain seasons that I use all the time for any and everything. But if I want to make something more chickeny flavor, I add a couple other seasons. If I want to add something a little more beefy flavor, I add a couple more seasons. So I came out with 3 seasonings. Okay? It has Just Magic, which is your all-purpose. You can put it on any and everything. Then I have my golden chick. Now, the golden chick is going to be great for anything that's poultry, like turkey, chicken, gravies, rice. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. It even tastes amazing on tofu scrambler. And the thing about me is half of you all that follow me, because y'all love me so much, half of y'all not even vegan. Y'all just love good flavored food, which I provide to you all the time. So, you know, even if you aren't all the way vegan yet, or you're just thinking about being vegan, you can use this on your food too, all right? And then we have Red House. Now, Red House is a fan favorite, okay? Everybody that tastes this absolutely love it. Not like they don't love the other one, but this one, I guess, has like the golden touch to it. And it's absolutely amazing. If you're making like my vegan ribs recipe, or my Salisbury steak, or my meatloaf, or my pepper steak, you hear all those steaks in there. You definitely can go ahead and use this, and this will be the only seasoning that you need. You still may use like a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, or a little beef bouillon with that, but all these seasonings, you should not have to add any salt, any pepper, any garlic powder, any of that. This is gonna be all that you need. I know some of you have questions, so I am here to answer these questions for you, so you can know exactly what you're going to get. Here are some of the answers to the questions that you have. Empress J says, where are they available? These seasonings are only going to be available online for a limited amount of time, and it's going to be an exclusive order, all right? And you'll be able to get them on the website, chefjoyasnest.com, all right? Y'all probably like, what's Chef Joya Nest? You know, I call y'all JoyBirds, right? So I need a homepage for my shopping, so it's the Nest. JoyBirds, Chef Joya's Nest. Next question is by Keisha Soul Beauty. Are they sold as a set on the 20th so I can order? I know that's right, Keisha. She said, get my order right now. Yes, so the first orders are gonna be all sets. So you're gonna only be able to get all 3. The reason I'm doing it that way is because I wanna know which y'all favorite is. I asked for feedback and reviews, so I want y'all to tell me what's your favorite, what's the one you wanna order again, if you want them all again. That way I know when we start producing them later on next year in a massive amount, we know which one to give more of. Chronic Crystal says, if you had to choose one, which would it be, or is it like choosing your favorite child? You know, they are all really good. I really can't choose because they all offer something totally different. Yeah, I can't choose. I really can't. Like, that's just like, it is kind of like choosing your favorite child. I like you because, but you know, no, I love them all equally. They all, I promise you, they so good. These are game changers. You ain't gonna ever have to worry about another vegan blend anything. Well, I don't know the right seasonings. You got it in the bottle, all right? Miss Natasha K said, yes. Let me read that again. Yes. How much you in these pockets though? That's cute. So as the first set, they're gonna be $59.99. So they're about $20 each for the introductory. These are 9-ounce size bottles. So let me show y'all the difference of what a normal size bottle of seasoning is. So typically when you get a bottle of seasoning from the store, it's about this size. It has about 1.7 ounces of seasoning in it, right? So I could easily get this seasoning about $6, $7 at the store. But then if you get a nicer, bigger size bottle, it's probably about 4 ounces in it. So there's that. This has 9 ounces of seasoning in there, okay? So you get 9 ounces of seasoning. At the introductory, it's about $20 a bottle. They will go up after the limited edition launch, the initial launch, but as of right now, they are $59.99, about $20 each. And yeah, that is a lot of seasoning. All right, so I have several questions about the sodium. And to answer all of y'all's questions, yes, this is not salt-free. It does have sodium in it. It has different sodium takes in there. I made sure that it wasn't high in sodium, but it's not low in sodium, okay? For it to be considered low in sodium, it has to be at least 5% of the daily value. These are at 12 and 15% per gram, which is about half a teaspoon. Sorry, not per gram, 2 grams, which is about close to half a teaspoon. So you're looking at for and a half teaspoon of this season, it's about 15% of your daily value. I think it's like 315, something around there. You have the nutritional panel on there. It's not super salty, but it does have salt in it. This one has about 200. The Golden Chick has about 280 milligrams, and that's about 12% of your daily intake. And the Red House has 270 milligrams of sodium, which is another 12% of your intake. So if you're thinking about seasoning a pot, you're probably gonna use like a tablespoon or and a half or two to season an entire pot of food that's gonna feed several different people. So don't think you're getting all that sodium because you have to distribute it, you know, around the pot, but it's fine. I mean, like if you're salt free, I understand, you know, you gotta wait till the bald head season to come out because that's gonna be coming soon. Bald head, that's gonna be my salt free one. And thank you all so much for all of you all excitement. It means so much to me. I literally made these seasonings for you. I mean, just like I did the cookbooks for you. You asked about it. I wanted to share it. I wanted you all to be able to do this. I am saving food everywhere because I know I use a lot of seasons, and I know y'all be like, Chef Joya, what do I do? But I want to make sure y'all have it, and now y'all have it. I cannot wait for you all to try it. I want to make sure y'all let me know what you think about it. Send me a DM, comment on YouTube, comment wherever you can, and share it with the world because I know you're going to love it. You're going to be like, I don't need anything else. It's literally everything that you need in a bottle, and that's why it's magic. So I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Tell somebody to tell somebody, and get your bottles while you can. Ciao.